One of my favorite Talbert features is in the gooseneck of the trailers. All of our trailers from 35 ton to 90 ton capacities feature 4 cylinders in the gooseneck. We've got more lifting power than is really required for whatever the capacity of the trailer is, which means with a capacity load on the trailer, our customers are able to pick the front of the trailer up 32 inches off the ground in the front of the trailer to allow them to clear an obstacle. But having more lifting power is definitely one of our better features.
On our standard commercial line, we're 2.5 to 1 safety factor on most of our products, and our trailer ratings are rated in half the deck length. So that rating does not have anything to do with axle configurations. It's just what the chassis is rated for.
Transporting another piece that's big and wide, may not even be heavy, or something that's very tall and it's very concentrated weight. And the small footprint could really cause damage to the trailer. So we want to try to listen to what they're truly hauling to ensure that the integrity is still there when we're designing that trailer for manufacturing. Talbert continues its pledge to provide a very safe and dependable trailer. It's with this commitment that we're going to do our best to provide optimal service for our customers for the next 85 years.